Hi traders. Um, Hope we all have a very successful week. Um, our analysis, last week analysis was apt. Very, the probability was high and all the trades entered. So as we all know, my name is SPDD. And then let's start with GBPUSD and see what we have for the week ahead. So, great. I always start from the daily. I follow daily structure. So there's no any just simple. What I do is this. All right, as we see clearly, we're in a bearish structure. So all I'm looking for is a you know, bearish setup. So this was the last um lower high, and this was the last lower low. So I'm expecting price to give me some premium, to the upside, and then I get my sell signal, and then I start sell. That is just this is what I'm looking for in the coming week. Yeah. So let's scale down to H4. Daily trend is bearish. I go to H4. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for structure shift. So currently there is a structure shift to the upside. As we noticed today during NFP, this was there was a temporal high here. That was a high here, that was broken. So maybe it will continue pushing high. Um, Clearly to, the next resistance level is 28,500. So maybe from here, look for a shift in, you know, in the trend, and then I target the sell side liquidity down there. Okay. This is a very simple and clean. No any where's my razor? No any complications whatsoever. So that's just it. Clearly, this is it. You know, um, it can come because this is the daily high, and then this is the daily low down there. So all this is my institutional dealing range that I expect price to come and look for some kind of premium, then change character or change trend, and then target the sell side liquidity again. Clean. That is just it. Just with patience. This is H4, so it will take time for the trades to build on. Next we check Euro USD same. So this is daily. So my last structure is here and then here. So for this, I don't expect price to keep on going. If price break this zone, then definitely it's something else again, unless otherwise. When price break this zone, then it continues. Then maybe I'll just leave Euro and give it the time to get a clear direction. But from here, if to obey the various structure, I think let it just go down. Let it just go down. So I scale down. Let's scale down to H4 and just see. Clearly, this is just it. What am I seeing here? At this point, this is the daily high. This is a daily low. So from here, I'm just expecting price to come down and target these zones here. Let me see this, and then I'll enter the sell. Unless otherwise, but if I see price breaking up here, then man, and I have to wait maybe and continue with the bullish movement, something like that. But if not, we're bearish until this high, this lower high is taken. Until that happens, we're bearish. Let's go up. Let's see. AUDUSD. Also, this is clearly bearish. This is HAD1. Daily is clearly bearish. That was the last lower high, and also the last lower low is down there. So price has already shown commitment of retracing. So I've already marked my zone. I'm bearish. Okay, until this lower high is taken. All I'm looking for here is sell. Okay, yeah. What I do is now let's scale down to let's scale down to H4 and see the structure. All right, that's shifting structure to the upside. So we have to wait again, see price is making wave, moving up. We have to wait again until price reach that I have marked some fair value gaps that I don't know which one price may react. Price may decide to react on this particular one here, change of character or change of trend, then target the sell side liquidity again. Sorry. Yeah, that's just it. Simple, simple. So on this particular pair, this is my last lower high, and then my last lower low is down there. All right. So this is just it. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm just waiting for price to, change character, change trend on the H4. I'm expecting price to, there is a significant level, a psychological level, 66,000. So price is reacting a little bit. Who knows? Maybe from here it may even change. Then we continue. Or if we're able to, break this zone up to somewhere here, and then the change remains, let's just wait on the majors. Here's the credit. Let's just wait for a lower high to be established. Wherever it wants to be established, let it be established first. Then from there we can start looking for short opportunities to go down. All right. All right. Next is the QE NZDUSD. Also sell unless this high is taken, I'm bearish. So what am I looking for? Scale down to, this is just it. This is just the trading. All those, shouting, all those indicators, well, all strategies are profitable if you know what you're doing, but I just want to keep everything simple, just simple, let's scale down to H4 and see the structure there. All right, H4, clearly. I've done my markings, and this is what I'm waiting to happen. So I'm also expect price to push a little bit. Already clearly price have broken this previous short-term highs here. So we expect, price to keep, moving a little bit. I have a fair value gap here around 0.61760. So I'm expecting, maybe price may want to come and when from here then, and then I have a resistance level there. So maybe price may come, change character on H4 or H1, then I enter the sell and target 0.6600. That is the sell side liquidity. Okay. Just try your best to be keeping this thing simple. Okay. The next thing here we have USD CAD. USD CAD I'm bullish. Yeah, this is the daily. Now here you see a change of structure. Structure was already broken around let me make it a little bit clearer. Sorry, I had classes today, so my markings are still here. Around this zone here, price have clearly changed trend. So after the retracement, bullish movement. So what are we looking for? I am bullish. I'll scale down to H4. Same analysis, same technique, scale down to H4 and then allow price, if this higher high is established here, up there, and then down here is my last, higher low here. So this is my range that I'm dealing with. I need to see some kind of price to come down to this zone. This is where I'm looking to buy. Whatsoever happens here, I'm not there. I'm not around. So this is just it. Clearly, let me see price come down to this zone. Let me see some discount. It's not advisable for me to start placing buy orders here. I want price to come at least 50%. Then from there, I can look for trade to go long. Let's see. Already beautiful. Look at the USD this ninja USDJPY on daily. Look at already it has shown commitment. It has retraced, it's showing retracement. So already this my first fair value gap is filled. I have a second one down here. I don't know whether it will be filled or not. But all I will do now is to scale down to H4 and then wait for price. If I see any commitment to go up, already clearly there's a shift here. Price have broken this low here. So short time price is bearish. So I want to see price come down, then change character, and then we target the buy side liquidity again. Clearly, that's simple. This is just it. This is just it. Nothing. I don't use indicator. I don't use any complex thing. Just simple price action. Clearly, price action following structure. Okay. Though there are deeper things to this, but this is just a simple way to just guide this thing. Allow price to come down, change trend, and then from here we start looking for long opportunities to target the upside. Allow a higher low to be formed. Allow a higher low to be formed first, then look for whatever you want to do. All right. So let's just keep it simple and short. Thank you, and have a nice weekend and have a very profitable week ahead. I think I've covered all the 6 major pairs. So we'll stop here. Have a nice weekend. And then yeah, God bless you. Thank you. Please, you can do well to subscribe, share the video, like, and comment. It's a new channel. We're trying to grow and have a community that we can, share ideas and build ourselves. So thank you. Thank you.